is Sachin Choil, and I'm a final year graduated fashion and textile design student. My dissertation was about it's a craft of Haryana, Chindiro. So my main point was in that is that craft sustainable or not? So how the artisans are earning about that. Something about the dress or what you are always wearing. It for me it's most about and always about the stories, building stories behind what you are wearing and how you are wearing. Is it comfortable for you or not? For this design field, at that time I was not sure what is design. I just know, I was not very clear about the design field, but after coming to TDV, I realized like design is not decoration. It not about the beautiful products. It about how you respond to the situations and how you are working, for the environment, and it's like a responsibility. The courses which I like the most is the ethnography and research in design because they were the subject in my initial year which I enjoyed the most because I was not very familiar with the outside environment in TDV. So we got to interact with so many peoples, different places, and I also like the villaging, which is a very interesting thing because we are going to a places which are very new. We meet to the people who are very new, and we don't allow mobile phones. And at that time, in the initial point, it was I was very afraid. What kind of trip is this? Like we are not allowed to take the phones, but that was really interesting and that was really helpful because how that's how you engage with the people. And I'm coming from the village, so I have to show that a raw kind of a thing. And I'm a very adjustable person, not adaptable person, so I want to show that in my weaving also. So I work with the wood material and I use the plain weaving. I want to work with the craft persons, and I want to work in a waste material kind of thing because for me waste is like treasure. I always very curious to work with the waste, and so yeah, I'm very excited. So I want to combine that waste as a material with the craft and try to work with the artisans and other people. Leena ma'am's courses very much because she's always sharing her personal experience, like her family experience, and I always enjoy that because she studied abroad and she has a family, so she was always explaining us, he never demotivates, and at her age, like how she's handling each and everything. So it's not about always learning the chapters which is a teacher explaining you in the class. It's also learning from their personal experiences and their life, like how they are teaching. And the one more thing, like how the way she is teaching in the class, that is, I mean, amazing. In most of the colleges, like if any lecture is going on, you can't enter to other class or you can't sit in other class. But in TDB, there is no restriction. So suppose I'm from fashion and I want to attend the product design or any other course, so I'm completely welcome to that class. You can, and it's not like I'm not a fashion student, so or I'm not a product student, तो मुझे पढ़ाया नहीं जाएगा ऐसे. That is like a equal, And the other thing which I miss about the, like, I'm coming from the village, okay, and the name, the design village. So in the village, there is no like a particular sector or something. It's like a merge. Everything is, everyone is very familiar. If something is happening at this corner in the village, so people know of this corner. So same is happening in the design village. It's like a village where the people, students coming from the different states, different silos, and but still there is a one single unit kind of a thing. So that is the one I like about the TDB. So in my initial stage, I was thinking about I want to learn the skill. I want to explore, but I was not very sure like what kind of a exploration I want. Okay, I don't have the exact direction. So Ashutosh Porus told me like in your interview you told you want to explore, but right now you are saying you want to learn the skills. So sometimes we know what we want to do, then we can do. But sometimes we don't know what we want to do, so we have to understand the other person in front of you who is guiding you and teaching you. It means he is showing you the right way or path. Okay, so the one thing I want to suggest about TDV to others, I don't know most about the other design colleges, how they are teaching and how they are explaining, but here you will there is no time limit. Whenever you want to ask or do work under any of your professor or teacher, they will not say, we don't have time, come to next time. So it's very free. Okay, and second thing is, like, about I previously told ki there is no restrictions to enter in other class, so which is very unique. And the third thing is the villaging. Because of the villaging, I came to contact with the few artisans, and which is helping me now. Like, we went to Geechgad in the first year, and I came across few artisans who were doing the textile and everything. So I want to share my villaging experience. We were going to Geechgad, and I was like कि फिर से Rajasthan, and I don't want to go. So, but sometimes you have to understand and you have to clear your mind, कि हम जहाँ भी जा रहे हैं, हम जो भी देखेंगे, हमें कुछ ना कुछ मिलेगा उसमें से. Okay, so I went to Geechgad with my first 2 days with this mind कि मैं क्या करने है यहाँ पे, मेरा phone भी छीन लिया मुझसे. But after that, we were just given a pen and diary, and we were talking with the artisans and with the village people. So that was a very, very interesting, because I'm not a very confident person in the initial time. So after coming to TDV, which is the important thing I learned, after interacting with the most of the people. So I'm not much talkative person in the initial stage. डर लगता था. But after coming to TDV, now I can go to any place, and I can ask, and whatever it's possible. And even when I joined the TDV, first time I came to Delhi at that time, so Delhi and Noida, and my parents were very afraid कि Noida में तो ऐसे होता है, Delhi में ऐसे होता है, and you are going there, तो क्या होगा? But now they are saying कि we don't know what you are doing in the college, okay? Because they don't understand, sometimes it's happened. But they are saying कि we are sure about one thing, कि अगर तुम्हें आज कहीं भी भेज दिया जाए किसी से बात करने के लिए या किसी दूसरी जगह पे जाना है, so there is no need to us to have with you, कि you can go alone. So that is they are saying कि you learn the best thing from the TDV, which you have not learned from us from so many last years. So yeah, that is the most important thing. I mean कि before going into a career or anything, you must have a confidence, or which matters the most, because self confidence is the most. I just love research after coming to TDV. So, even before joining TDV, I don't know much about the research. Okay, I was just searching on the Pinterest. Okay, so this is the research. I was looking at the fashion products, garments, and okay, this is research. But if you are a designer, you want to bring some kind of a change, you have to look towards the environment, towards the society, towards everything. This is what I learned from the TDV. It's all about the responsibility. It's not कि मैं डिज़ाइन कर रहा हूँ, मुझे बनाना है, मुझे बेचना है. It's not like that. So after coming to TDV, I did the first course with Mudita, that is ethnography, and the second is my favorite, research in design, which I like the most, because in that I choose my favorite subject, waste, Chindi rope. And after that, I was just waiting for the final year कि thesis आएगा तो मुझे वो करना है, because I just asked from you and Dina ma'am कि what we are doing in the thesis and everything. So in the COVID situation, we did the thesis. That was a very online kind of a thing. So I enjoyed a lot.